Hey everyone, this is Jared here over at Shockley Honda of Frederick, Maryland, here to highlight for you this 2015 Honda Crosstour EX-L. This is kind of a dying breed in this new SUV revolution. V6 four-wheel drive, fairly low miles for the age of the vehicle. It only has 50,000 miles on the dash. The EX-L, we do have the cloth or leather interior, memory driver seating, heated seats, built-in navigation. Here's the miles on the dash, 50,000. Got your power sunroof. Plenty of leg room back here in the second row. Just a little cabin shot for you. Beautiful interior. Nice and clean. Here's that nice Crosstour hatchback. Plenty of space back here in the rear. Does have a tow hitch back here. Levers to put down the second row if need be. If you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give me a call at 301-694-5400. My extension's 1118. Or if you'd like to come in, Shockley Honda here in Frederick, Maryland, come see me, Jared, and I'd be happy to show you a wide array of new and used vehicles. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon, and have a good day.